Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a navigation menu in Weebly. If you're building a website, having a clear, organized navigation menu is essential for helping visitors find what they're looking for quickly and easily. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your browser and head over to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log into your Weebly account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your homepage where you can manage all your websites. Look at the left side menu where you'll see the option labeled Website. Click on it, and underneath that, you'll find Edit Site. Go ahead and click Edit Site to proceed. Now you'll see a list of websites associated with your account. Choose the website you want to edit by selecting it from the list. Once you've selected your site, look over to the right side of the screen where you'll see an Edit button. Click this button to open the editor page for your website. This is where all the magic happens and where you'll be able to customize your site's structure and design. Once you're on the editor page, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. Here you'll find a menu option called Pages. Click on Pages to open the Pages panel. This panel is the control center for your site's navigation and allows you to add, remove, or organize pages as needed. To add a new page to your navigation menu, click the plus button. This will prompt a menu to appear with different page type options. You'll see choices like standard page, blog page, product page, or external page. Select the page type that best suits your needs. For example, if you're creating a simple informational page, choose standard page. If you want to link to an outside website, select external page. After selecting the page type, you'll be asked to name the page. Choose a clear, descriptive name like Home, About, or Contact. These names will appear in your navigation menu, so make sure they're easy to understand and relevant to the content. Once you've entered the name, click Done, and that's it. You've successfully created a navigation menu in Weebly by adding pages that will automatically appear in your site's navigation bar. You can repeat this process to add as many pages as you need, and Weebly will organize them into a clear, functional menu for your visitors. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.